Because
and all that.
Hey everyone, it's Mindy.
And Zoe.
And today is a very exciting video.
We got our Disney box!
We got our Bibbidi Bobbidi box. You guys, look at how big this box is. It's bigger than Zoe's head. It's bigger than my head. Oh my gosh. I cannot tell you how excited
I am.
we are for this box. We signed up for this subscription box last month, but it was after the cutoff for that monthly box. So, we were so what's going on here? We were so
excited.
We were so bummed that we weren't going to be getting a box last month. But I have been
excited.
I have been waiting and waiting for this email to say, and I've been checking YouTube. No one's gotten their boxes yet, or no one's done videos yet. So we're the first ones. I'm so excited. They have different subscription packages. I got the fantasy box, and it's the, I believe, $59 one. Hold on. The shipping is only $5.99. You guys, they put exclusive park items in here, and you can get everything from a pet box to stickers and magnets. It's boxes, I mean. There's something for everything. There's the ultimate box, which is $119. You're guaranteed a high-end item. So I didn't get that one, but I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Zoe, are you so excited?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So Zoe can't wait anymore. Hold on.
I want to open it.
Hold on. They put a lot of tape on this. All right.
Don't want to rip it, too.
All right. Hold on. Okay. This is really hard to open. I just ripped my box.
That's your fault.
It is my fault. Hold on. All right. I think I got it.
Why is there so much?
So some of the confetti came out. These boxes are so... I totally just ripped my box. That's okay. I'm so excited. We'll get another one next month. So this... Hold on. Hold on. This is what it looks like inside. It has purple tissue paper. You see all the little confettis? Hold on. Oh, I do want to talk about this box. For those of you who don't have it, this box is adorable. So it's the personal box. This is all detailed on this box. Look at the castle. Look at the carousel from Mary Poppins. The mini bow. The house from Up. The stormtrooper with the
Wait, what?
Death Star balloon.
What?
The Mickey treats. There's
Ice cream.
Donald's hat. They pay attention to Dole Whip. They pay attention to such detail, you guys. And these boxes are just beautiful. Just beautiful. Okay, so they always give you, hold on. They give you a spoiler alert, which we are not going to do until the very end. But look it's Chip and Dale, ready for St. Patrick's Day. Oh, they look like they're having so much fun. And then we have this cute little thing, and it says, Happy Spring, Happy Unboxing. The flowers that bloom in the adversity is the most rare and beautiful of all. And it says, please tag us in your box. Oh, it's so cute. You guys, we have confetti all over. Okay. Hold on. Let's try to just take something and not... Oh, what's this? So, hold on. I do want to say, in our preferences, we're dying. We want to just jump right in, but I want to give you all the information. So this box, you can put all the information. They give you this long list. They ask you, do you want jewelry? is this box for you? How old are you? Are you splitting it with someone? I said I'm splitting it with me and Zoe. So some of these items are going to be for me and some are going to be specifically for Zoe. We put in our favorite princesses. If we already have certain Mickey ears or whatever, that we didn't want duplicates, we could put that in. I'll make sure that they don't do that. It's very, very detailed. So if I see something that I don't like, I can put into preferences for next box, that I don't want those items. So let's pull out the first thing that I see. Hold on. Oh my gosh.
A magic wand for me.
Look it. Hold on.
A magic wand for me.
It's Belle's magic wand. And look, see this purple thing? It says Disney Park exclusive.
That's this for me?
It is just for you. Zoe put that her favorite princess was Belle because she loves Beauty and the Beast. Look at, oh, it's so pretty when it glows up. What a fun thing, Zoe. All right, let's see what else we got.
Oh, it even goes like this.
Oh, it blinks. Is there any other ways that it does?
It is this red.
Okay. All right, let's see what else. Ooh. Ah,
A brand new cup.
you guys, practically perfect in every way. It's a Tervis cup. I love these cups. Oh my gosh, Mary Poppins
There's
is
something
my...
in there.
It just tells you how to wash it. Mary Poppins is my all-time favorite.
Mine
I'm
too.
so excited. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay. Hold on. Don't make a big mess because this stuff can get everywhere. Oh. Zoe!
Is that for us?
Oh my gosh!
Is that for me?
It's for us. So I went in my preferences and I said, if you have any more of these, I really, 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 really want them. And they listened. You guys, they really listened to what you want and what you like. They're so good. Oh my gosh. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Are you ready? Sorry.
That was loud. I apologize. Zoe's favorite donut is the strawberry frosted with sprinkles. I just thought these were adorable. Oh my gosh. Look at it. Oh, it's so beautiful.
I love the bow.
Oh my goodness. I gotta try it on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. You guys, this is the problem with having to share a box. Let's see. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. Oh, absolutely love these. Oh my goodness, can you see the detail?
And it has my favorite sprinkles on it. Yum, 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 yum.
And it does have the park exclusive on there. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. You guys, it has all these worms in here, I'm afraid.
Nothing else in there? I know they always put a lot of things in there. I see something.
Oh, all right. Oh, we had to really dig in there. We got a button.
And it has cookies on it.
It has pretzels. It says, these pretzels are making me thirsty.
What?
Oh my goodness.
These pretzels are making me thirsty.
Let's see. Hold on.
Let me dig in there.
Zoe, hold on.
Don't you think they put some stuff in there? Maybe you're thinking of something right now.
All right, maybe that's everything. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 items. Where is that? There it is.
Do it have to be in that part of the video?
No, you don't have to. All right. Yep, it says I only got 4 things. Okay, so the Disney Park headband is $27.99. That's the normal price for their ears at Disney World. Disney Park Bell light up wand is $19.95. The Mary Poppins 16-ounce tumbler from Tervis is $18.99. And the pretzel button was $4. I paid I want to say it was $59.99. I think it was $59.99. I'll put in a description if that's the correct price. I want to say it was $59.99. And my retail value was $70.93. You guys, I was dying for these. I begged for these ears. Oh my goodness. You guys, they are so cute. They're so cute. And I asked this on someone else's video because I'm like, it kind of looks like plastic, right? This is like a felt material. And this paint is like a plastic. So just so you know, in case you want it. You guys, you have to get this box. They have boxes from $9.99 all the way to $119. They have pet boxes, birthday boxes, every kind of box. I'm going to put the information down below so you can get your box. You have to get this box. If you love Disney, if you love all the fun stuff, you can get snacks. I chose not to get snacks just because I'd rather have the merchandise versus the snacks. But this is definitely a box everyone needs to get. Get it and tag me in your videos because I want to see what you get because I binge watch all these videos. I can't help myself. I love them. I love seeing what everyone gets. I hope you have a great day and we'll see you later, Fin Fam. Bye. Love you.